In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore shortcuts on Google Chrome. Whether you're someone who loves having quick access to your favorite sites, or you're trying to speed up your browsing experience by having everything you need. One click away, getting your shortcuts back is a breeze with Chrome's customizable interface. Let's dive right in and get those shortcuts back up and running on your Chrome browser. First things first, let's head over to Chrome and focus on the bottom right corner of your homepage. Here, you'll spot a small pencil icon, which represents the Customize Chrome button. This button is your gateway to personalizing your browsing experience, so go ahead and give it a click to access more options and settings. Once you've opened the Customize Chrome menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Shortcuts. It's crucial to ensure that Show Shortcuts is enabled here. This toggle is what determines whether your shortcuts are visible or not, so make sure it's turned on for optimum convenience. Visibility is key, especially if you're aiming to make the most of your browsing speed and efficiency. Now, when it comes to how shortcuts are managed, Chrome gives you a choice. You can either opt for My Shortcuts, or you can go for Most Visited Sites. With My Shortcuts, you have the freedom to manually add websites that you frequently visit and want direct access to. On the other hand, Most Visited Sites allows Chrome to automatically curate your shortcuts based on your browsing habits. This feature can be quite handy if you frequently visit a wide array of sites and want them automatically organized for you. If you decide to go the manual route and personalize your shortcuts by choosing My Shortcuts, the process is straightforward. Look for the plus icon under the My Shortcuts section. This nifty little button allows you to add new shortcuts by manually entering the name and URL of the website you want quick access to. Simply click it, fill in the relevant information, and voila, your shortcut is ready for action. And there you have it. Restoring shortcuts on Google Chrome is as simple as that. By customizing these settings, you're taking control of your Chrome browsing experience, ensuring that your favorite sites are just a click away whenever you need them. It's all about making the browser work for you, enhancing both your productivity and enjoyment as you surf the web. Thanks for watching and happy browsing. Remember to check out the rest of our videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life.